Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through 5 trades from one of our live trading sessions. 5 trades, 15 minutes, $2,500. My name is David with Binary Masterclass, and welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, so we're rolling the video here of some trades that we took in our session here, and I am waiting for an entry on pound CAD. It is getting itself down to a very nice support level on our indicators, and I do take a call right at that support. Now it does notch a little bit below my entry, just a tad bit below that support, but I've been watching this one for a while, and that is a very strong 15-minute level, so I'm fairly confident that it is going to respond the way that we want here. Currencies do not always obey support and resistance like we want, so our strategy does allow for a few different entries, but in this case we are actually winning this trade very nicely. Pound CAD does move up off of that support, and it gives us a nice first entry win for our first win of the day, and a $400 and something profit on that guy. So now we're actually looking at Aussie CAD for the same thing. Aussie CAD coming down to a very nice support. I do take it at the bottom. It actually wicks through that support level, but it was very, very oversold on the value chart, over -2, I believe. And so the likelihood of it sustaining that move is not very high, or was not very high. So it actually does move up nicely back above that support area, and looks like it's going to cruise in for another first entry win. It does try to retest, but is unsuccessful, and we make $440 on that trade. Okay, guys, going to our third trade of the day, Euro USD coming down. Watching it, I do take it at that support. In fact, it again just wicks below. It's okay, guys, if a currency wicks below a support area. Oftentimes they will bounce right off. Sometimes they will just wick a little bit right below it, but then come right back up above it. This one does end up moving down below that support, so we'll see what happens with it. It's a $250 entry on this particular trade, and in the last few seconds we end up winning that trade. We won that trade and make $205 in the last seconds of that. That was a very, very close call. I got in slightly early on that one, but still ended up coming out in our favor. So now we're moving over to CAD Yen. It's up at a resistance. I am looking at taking a put when it gets to that next level, which is the one I liked a bit more. It is almost there. We have to patiently wait. Is it going to give us one more bump? And it does, and I take the entry right there at a very, very good resistance area. Now, there is still plenty of room above that, so if it does break above this level, it's got a ways to go before we can actually look for another entry on this particular currency. But it comes down all the way to the support. It came down a little hard. Sometimes if they come down that fast, they may bounce like this one did off of that level. It bounced off of the support. Looks like it's going to retest that resistance. It does retest. It's battling around our money, moves back into the money, and that one is another nice first entry win, guys. Just racking up the wins here, racking up the dollars in this session. And for our last trade, we are looking for a put on Euro USD. I want to wait for it to get to that very top resistance level. Very, very good level. Sometimes we have to be a little patient with these entries. It's trying, and it gets there. I take an entry right there at actually just about $1, or 101, just a pip above $1. And it does actually respond nicely at that level. I mean, these indicators, guys, these are what we use to trade every day. They give us a great indication as to when to enter our trades. Combine that with our money management, and guys, you've got a 95% chance of winning all of your trading cycles. So we're going to cruise into, it looks like, the finish line with a very nice first entry win here on Euro USD, guys. So that is 5 trades, a $2,500 profit in 15 minutes of trading. And we do this every day in our trading room. Now, guys, not every day has the same trading conditions. Every day is a little bit different. Some days are easier than others. We walk you through how to make money in different environments, or when even not to trade. Sometimes the best way to make money is to not lose money, and that is not trading in certain environments, which you get that mentoring, that coaching live in our daily trading room sessions. And guys, you have access to these indicators. And right now we're giving you these indicators for free. If you open up a Quotex and Pocket Option account and fund them at least to the minimum levels, when you join one of our subscription levels, you will get these indicators, which normally run $199. You're going to get them absolutely free. You're going to get our binary masterclass, which walks you through the ins and outs of binary option trading. You're going to get access to all of our trading room sessions if you join at the premium level. And guys, we would love to have you trading with us and making money with us. So what are you waiting for, guys? We'll see you in the trading room.